The most progressive, innovative companies hire for the company they want to become. So think about that. A lot of particularly established, successful companies have a workforce that's been in place for 5, 10, 15 years. And if they suddenly have a strategy of creativity, of innovation, they're trying to reshape and repurpose and shoehorn that existing standing army into something with creative firepower. Now, creativity can be trained, that's for sure, but the speed at which you can actually backfill that strategy might be the limiting factor. So what we've done is created a program specifically for HR and also for senior management called Hiring for Innovation. And in this program, we look at the diagnostics available, and we have some great proprietary diagnostic tools. What that tells you about the sort of people that you have and the gaps that you might need to make up. How those different parts of the team fit together or could fit together best in order to be a really tight fit creative unit. And then we set about aiming to create a creative culture that's going to deliver on that strategy of innovation that you're after. So all of these things are possible, but it stems from the point of view that we need to be hiring people that fit the company we want to become. Not the company that we are, not the people that we have, but the type of company that we want to become and aim towards that. That's best practice, and it works in some of the world's most kick-ass companies. I look forward to sharing these thoughts and practices and diagnostic tools with you. So maybe head to hotheads-innovation.com in the first instance and reach out to me, and we can continue this discussion so that you've got the creative firepower on board that you need to really find the future faster. Thanks.